Hey everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. My name is Vihanga and I'm really glad you are here again. If this is your first time watching, I am doing this Revit Architecture series in short, simple videos, usually 10 to 15 minutes long, so you can easily find exactly what you want to learn. Most Revit tutorials on YouTube are over 4 hours long, which makes it hard to find one specific topic here. I am breaking it down to a small step by step lesson so you can learn at your own pace. Once all these videos are done, I will upload a complete project video, a full house model with every detail we have covered. Alright, today we will learn to today we will learn two important things. How to create new levels for multiple story building and how to add floors between those levels. Okay, let's get started. Now let's create a new level. Firstly, go to your elevation and select elevation east view, and you can see the level 1 and level 2 is default in there. So if you want to make new level, you have two methods. First one is you can select architecture, and in the right side you can see the level. Click level. In here we have two different methods for creating draw level. First one is line tool and second one is pick lines. If you use line tools, you can draw the level. When you move the mouse cursor into near the this vertical line, you can see it will automatically pick the end, and click there and move to the other side, and it automatically click the vertical line and click. Okay, now another one is pick lines. You can click pick lines, and for the pick lines, in here we can use offset. I will use 10 feet offset, and when you move mouse cursor to the previous levels, if you move from the top, you can see the new level above the previous one. If you move from the downside, you can see new one below the previous line. So I will choose from the top and click from the top and click. This can continue. This one continue. You can continue. If you want to exit from this tool, click escape. Okay. Now we will look another method for copy this one. So select the previous level, and in here we have creates in the modify tab we have create similar. Click create similar, and here you can see line tool and pick line. I will choose pick line and 10 feet. Okay. Actually, we have more than 3 or 4 methods for the create. You can copy these level lines and offset or mirror. You can use these all methods for create new levels. in here you can see Revit is automatically renaming it level 1, level 2, level 3 because so for the renaming you can just click the level and click this box. You can rename as ground floor. It will ask confirm rename. Click this tick and select yes. You can see it now renamed to ground floor. We will rename this one to first floor. Click the level line and first floor. Okay. For the changing this dimension, you can change this height by click this one, click the first level line and click here and maybe 9 feet and end. You can see the changing, or you can drag and from upper level to you can using drag, you can change the height. Okay. Now another thing, if the external walls are going to maybe I will change this one to level second floor. Okay. Now in these external walls continuing to second floor, we can simply click the all external walls, and for the top constraint in here properties palette, in the top constraint you can select second floor and apply. Now you can see the walls height connected to second floor. Okay. In here in the project browser you can see now it only shows only the two floors, first floor and ground floor in here side view. So it didn't show another these levels, these 4 levels it didn't show. So we will add this level, go to view tab and in here plan views, in here floor plan, you can see it already marked this second floor. You can select all these floors and tick this one, do not duplicate existing view and click OK. Now you can see all the levels are shown in here. Okay. So when we are doing drawing block work or placing windows, doors in each floor, we need to switch. If you are working in first floor, we can select first floor and draw in here. If you are working in second floor, select second floor and we can draw in here. Now you can see in the second floor we can't see the ground floor level. For that one, we'll select properties and view range. I will do lesson for the view range, one lesson for this one in different video. So in here we can normally select for the view depth to ground floor. Now you can see the ground floor also. Okay. Now our another topic is adding floors to the each level. So you can see in here first floor and ground floor and first floor and second floor external walls are same. So in this ground floor we can use to first floor and second floor roof. So first I will show the how to draw the floor. I will select first floor. You can switch to easy from click this one from first floor to second floor like that. Okay, we will draw in first floor. Go to architecture tab and select floor and floor architecture. In here we can choose in the properties palette which floor we will use. I will choose this one. And in the modify tab we can select line tool to draw the boundary area or use rectangular. Because this one is rectangular, we can easily draw the floor area. So I will use rectangular. When we move mouse point to in the corner, you can see it automatically pick the corner inside or outside. Inside or outside, or it automatically click the center also. I will click outside. Okay. And click here. In the properties palette, I will not change the any offset for this floor. And click here. Let's go to the 3D view. Now you can see the floor is drawn in here. Previously we changed height to 9 feet. I will this one change to 20 feet and this one change to 10 feet. Okay. In here you can see the walls and floor is overlapping. So for that we can click the wall and in the modify tab you can see the join geometry. Click the join and select wall and floor. Select wall and floor. Select wall and floor. Select wall and floor. Okay. For the interior walls, I will click interior walls and here attach to top base. In the modify tab, click here and click the top base of first floor. Now you can see in here that these things are completed. Okay. So our next one is in here for the staircase. We need to cut a small rectangular. So in this work, I will click floor and edit boundary, and we go to the first floor. It's on easy, and in pick lines, use pick lines and click the end of the staircase from the top and center, and I will select from I will select from here and edge, then go to the trim and extend to corner tool and click here. Click this one, click this one. And I need another lines. Click here, click 1, 2, okay. Now select trim and extend to here, and here. Okay, now finish. If the wall lines are not closed, we will think this line we didn't close. This will show error and which area should need to close. So we can continue, and using this tool we can close, and okay. Now you can see the staircase area have floor area removed. Okay. Then we will go to the east view, and you can see here the floor. So in here, alright. So today we learned how to create new levels in elevation views, adjust their names and heights, and changing walls height to different levels, and edit floors and drawing floors in any levels. Now your Revit project has multiple stories and properly structured flow slab. In the next video, I will move to the this view range and other things. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment if you have any problems. This helps me grow the channel and continue sharing free tutorials with you. Thanks for watching Nextgen Cad. See you in the next video.